Hello, this is Scott Bankston, and I wanted to show you, I want to make the video and start showing everybody all my trades that I have going using one simple strategy. But the first thing I want to do here is I want to go through the indexes with you and then go through all my trades and kind of explain them. And this is just for today because these trades might not be here tomorrow. They might have failed, or they might have failed. I just want to go through the ones that I have. Now, first thing, this is the Dow Jones, and you see that's where it down for the coronavirus. Now it's trying to break the that's called the 50-day line right there. It's trying to break it. Here's the S&P 500. Went up there, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to see if it can break through. Because I'll tell you something, this line right here, the 50-day, that is used as a resistance point, right? So we're watching to see if it can break through that, okay? And the Russell 2000, see, they all kind of look the same. You know, they all kind of have that. Some of them are right there. This one's coming up. Now, let's go with the first trade I have in. This one's called Bristol Myers Squibb, BMY. And the thing is, see, here's that 50-day moving line right there, the blue line. It's above that. So what's going to happen in this trade? This is where it's going to buy the order. It's going to fill when it reaches here. Fill the order. This is a trailing stop that goes with it. And this is where I want it to go. So it doesn't matter if it doesn't fill. You know, you're not going to be stuck in it. You're waiting for it to fill, hopefully going up. I'll show you one right here. This is another one that I had. And this right here is where we set the buy point when it was right there. And you see that was January the 23rd. It never came up and filled the order. So it went on down. And you see this is April the 22nd. So as long as you're not in the trade, that's cool. That's good. If it decides to go down. Okay. Now the thing about this strategy I call one simple strategy is you don't go out and slap all your money into one stock. You don't do that. I've done that before and I've gotten burnt. Okay. What we do when I know that I'm going to buy these shares right here, 179 shares, there's a specific thing that I've done that I'm going to buy 179 shares. There's a formula that I use to come to that number right there. Now, here's one today. See, it went up here, but it didn't reach the stop or the where I'm going to buy it at. Okay, it didn't reach it, so it doesn't matter. I set it this right here for a trailing stop, and then the target is right there, and that one's called. This is called HLI. I'm not Houlihan Lokey. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for it to come up past this one, fill the order, and then going up. To me, this is like, well, that other one I showed you, I already showed you that one. INMD, I already showed you that one. this one LITE, what is that? Lumen Thumb Holdings. Let me show you how this works. See how it came up right there? But it didn't fill the order. Okay, these have a specific buy point right here. This is the buy point. Sometimes it can take 3 weeks for this to fill, for it to go on up. But what happens when we buy it, it builds momentum, okay? And we want it to crash through, fill, and then keep on going. That's how we do on all these trades. Now here's another one. Let me get it set for you here. And you see right here, almost bought. Almost. But it didn't quite when it went up there. I think it went up and then I saw it. Actually, I put this one in today. Went up, didn't buy, so I put it in. I wanted to get momentum. And I'll give you a quick tip here as well. We only buy these stocks when the market's going in the up position. It is right now. When the market's in a down position, we're out. Let me show you something right here. We already looked at the Dow Jones. See right here, this is when the coronavirus hit. And see it come down? Now, you've heard the term buy low and sell high. Yeah, that's what they all say. But I will tell you this. When you, as a beginner, you will see the stock and you will get, your emotions will get into you, and you'll have a hard time either selling it or buying it, because you're always going to say buy low, buy low. You know, let me show you. Well, first of all, let me finish this right here. Sometimes I get ahead of myself. See how it was going along right there? Good, good, good. Going up. Good, good, good. Then all of a sudden, it started coming down hard. We don't want to be in for all this. We would have lost a lot of money right there. Let's see. I'll come back to this one. Right here, it would have, see, if we would have gone in from right there, we got out 58, 44. But look how fast it came down. It's right there. So why would we hang in there? Why would we stay in there? To lose everything that it took us all this to get? No, no. You come out. You come out and you sit on the sidelines and wait till the market is in an up position, and then you buy the stock when you have the momentum pushing it up. Let's see, did I get all these? Let me tell you what I do. I only have a certain amount that I put in. Like I said, I'm not going to slap everything down into it. Let me show you one. Here's the coronavirus right there. They all look the same. I'm not going to come in and slap all my money down on one trade, you know, and then buy low and sell high, because everybody that is a beginner, they'll say, oh, buy low and sell high. Well, as it comes up, there's nobody out there that sells it right here that says, oh, I could have gotten more. I could have gotten more. Everybody says that. But if you would have held on one more day, you would have got this right here. Actually, that's 2 days. You would have got that right there. Okay? And then you would be like, oh, if I keep holding on, oh, it's going to go up, but it's going to go up more than that. And then it would have come on down there. And by this time, you might would have got frustrated and got out of it. So with this strategy, one simple strategy, we have a specific place that we sell our stocks. We get our money and then we leave. We can get back in the same stock, but we're just in and out. We aren't buying and holding. That's not a strategy that for me. I don't like that strategy. That's exactly what caused the big thing, the big coronavirus, because, well, the stock market crashing because of coronavirus. What happened was, when people buy and hold, they don't have a specific place they want to get out. They don't know, so they let it go. It could have been 10 years ago they bought that stock, whatever they're in. Then when they saw it coming down like that, they got scared and jumped out, and that's what made the market go down. All right, well, I hope I helped you out, or uh, just going over all these trades. Now, tomorrow I'm going to do it again. The thing about our strategy, sometimes these trades may not be here. They could be, like I said, hanging in here for months, just whenever they decide to go up. And the thing about it, like I said, we don't have all our money put into one trade, so we can do a bunch more if we want. But the most we're going to lose is when this thing starts trailing up. We're going to get some money out of it, okay? And we're not going to let it lose more right here. Alrighty, well, I appreciate it, and I will talk to you soon.